In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scroll blocks in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to work on. From the main dashboard, head into your website area, then open Pages. Choose the page where you want the scrolling effect to appear and enter editing mode. You'll see your page sections and the Fluid Engine grid. Hover over the section where you want the effect, then click the plus icon to open the block menu. In the block library, search for and select the scrolling block. If you don't see it right away, use the search field and type scrolling to find it quickly. Once the block is placed, double-click it to open the block editor. You'll land in the Content tab. In the main field, type the text you want to display. Think of each entry as a separate item in the scroll. You can add multiple items to create a sequence, great for highlighting announcements, features, or short calls to action. If you add more than one item, you can drag to reorder them until the flow feels right. To make any item clickable, add a web address in the link field. Keep links concise and relevant, and consider using short scannable phrases so the moving text remains easy to read. Next, switch to the Design tab to fine-tune the motion and style. Wave intensity controls how curvy or straight the path of the text appears. Lower values keep it subtle, higher values add more character. Scroll direction sets the movement, for example left to right or the reverse, depending on how you want the eye to travel. Speed determines how quickly the text moves. Aim for a pace that's readable without feeling sluggish. Background color adjusts the block's backdrop so you can ensure good contrast with your site's design. Pause on hover lets visitors stop the motion to read or click more comfortably, which is especially helpful for longer items. Fade edges softens the text as it enters and exits the block, creating a more polished, continuous look. As you dial in these settings, glance at your layout to make sure the block size and placement work within the section. Keep contrast high for accessibility, avoid overly long lines of text, and test your speed choice on both desktop and mobile so it feels smooth everywhere. When you're happy with the content and styling, click Save. Return to your page and review the scrolling effect in context. That's it. Your Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine scrolling block is set up and ready to engage your visitors.